Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to draw a simple greeting card. To make a greeting card, I first fold the A4 sheet into half and then draw some squiggly lines. Squiggly lines is just curling the lines as shown. Just make the squiggly lines. Here we are drawing the squiggly lines to make the rose. So you can just give the turns for as big rose you want. A smaller rose, smaller squiggly line, a bigger rose, a bigger squiggly line. Here I am drawing some 5 roses, 3 big and 2 small. Next I draw one more. I make it big. Just practice to draw the squiggly lines. This is a very easy drawing of rose or a flower. Now draw the stalk of the flower. Just draw it with the parallel lines. Make sure the lines are same in size. Please don't make it very broad or narrow. Once you draw lines for all the flowers, then we start writing the leaves for the picture. Very slowly and neatly try to draw the lines for all the flowers. Now draw some triangle shape or a leaf shape for detailing for each flower. Now start drawing the leaves using 2 curved lines joining at a tip, and draw a just curved line at the center to make the leaves. Draw leaves here and there randomly as shown. Big leaves for the bigger flower and smaller leaves for small flower. This completes the picture. Now let's see how to color it. You can use any shades of red, pink, orange, or you can color each different color flowers. Here I am using red and shades of red and yellow as well. First flower I do with a light red color, next with a darker red, orange. I use pink and yellow as well. It is completely your choice to color the flower. Next I color the stalk with green color. I use dark green for coloring the parallel lines. Once I have done coloring all the parallel lines, I just color the leaves. I color the leaf, center of the leaf with yellow color. I give slanting lines and fill in with light green at the corners or at the border. Once I have completed filling all the yellow shade, now I take green and I give some slanting strokes all over very slowly and neatly. See that there is no white gaps in between. If you feel hard to give these slanting strokes, there is an easy technique. Just draw V shape on both the sides and then start giving the slanting lines along the V shape and try filling the color. This is a simple technique. Draw V shape at the base and then start filling the colors using slanting lines. This completes the making of greeting card, drawing the picture and coloring it. This card would be used for a birthday or any occasion. You can use it as a thank you card, or you can use them for get well soon card. You can even give it for best wishes or good luck. So please do try at home. Make one for your loved ones. Hope this class was interesting, making flowers with simple squiggly lines, and you learned how to make a greeting card with beautiful flowers and color them. Until I meet you with next time with a new drawing, please take a very good care of your health, and bye for now.